Hello friends, today we are going to learn profile turning operation. Controller will be the as usual Fanuc. Okay, so let's assume this is your profile. It's look like a chess pawn. Okay, so we are using G73 for this operation, which is a profile repeating operation. Okay, G73 is profile repeating cycle. Clear? So let's discuss on this profile. Okay, this is your point number 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the coordinate for point number 1 will be the 0, 0. Coordinate for the point number 2, diameter is given, so x will be 18. Z is also given, which is again 50. Okay, so point number 3, x is 12, z is minus 25. So point number 4 and 3 lies on the same line, so diameter will be the same in point number 4. So it's again x12, z minus 50. So in point number 5 it will be x will be 30 and z will be same. So in point number 6 x will be 50, z will be the minus 60. So let's begin the program. Okay, so as you know, program always starts with the program number. So let's program number will be 47. Okay, 07777. So P0000 G00x0 G00z0 and we call T0101 G92 S1000 M4 G96 S300. Okay, then take safety G00 Z2.0 G00 H52.0. then coolant on 7. So G73 is your profile repeating cycle. So let's use that one. G73 U25 R will be the how much? R will be the, I think it will be 75. We'll discuss on that later. Okay, let's first complete the program. Then again G73 B10 Q11 F0.2. Now the coordinates start. G01 0.0 Z0.0. And from point number 2 we are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So we are going to use G03 here. G03 X 18.0 Z minus 15.0 R will be the 9.0. Again 2 to 3, it's again anti-clockwise. G03 X 12.0 Z minus 25.0 R will be the same 9.0. From 3 to 4 we are moving in clockwise direction, as you can see over here. From 3 to 4 we are moving in clockwise direction, so we are going to use G02 X will be how much? At point number 4 is 12. 2.0 Z will be how much? At point number 4 it's minus 50. R is given 50. R 50.0. Then point number 4 to 5 it's linear movement, so it's G01. Okay. So at point number 5 coordinate of x is 30. and Z will be the same, minus 2.0. Don't write Z over here, it will be of no use. So on point number 6, again 0, 1. So 0.5 to 6 is the chamfer, as you can see, of 10 to 45. So I'm going to write X and Z in a single block. Okay. So X will be how much? 50.0. Z will be how much? Minus 60.0. So after arrived at point number 6, then take the tool G01, X will be 52.0 and Z will be Z2.0. Okay. Then spindle off, coolant off, G73 0000. Then as you know, it's homing. G00X0, G00, Z0, M30. The program is not end yet. We have to mention that block number. Okay. So it's N10, N11 will be over here. Okay. So there is a new term over here which is U and R. U and R implies something different from G71. Okay, in G71 U and R is different, and here in G73 U and R is different. So here U says the total amount of material removed in X direction. The total amount of material, okay, removed in X direction. Clear? Then what the R says, R is the number of passes. Okay, so how I find that figure 25 or 75? Let's talk about that. So in U I write 25. So what is U? U is the total amount of metal you removed in X direction. So first go through the profile. Your maximum die is how much? 50. Minimum die is 0. Okay. Minimum dia is 0. So you will be 50 maximum dia minus minimum dia. Okay, maximum dia minus minimum dia by 2. You will be 50 minus 0 by 2 is 25. Clear? That's how I got that figure. Then let's talk about R. R is got the number of passes. How are you gonna find out the number of passes? So let's assume in one pass you remove 0.2 material, 0.2 mm material. Okay. In one pass you remove 0.2 material. In one pass. So you have to remove 25 mm material. So how many passes is required to remove that 25 mm material? So it's fucking unitary method. Okay. So 0.2 mm is going to remove in one pass. Okay. So 1 mm will be 1 by 0.2, which is again 10 by 2 or 5. Okay, if you want to remove 1 mm, it will take 5 passes. So you are going to remove 25 mm material. Okay, 25 mm material, so it will take 25 into 5 passes, which is how much? 125 125 passes. So here will be R will be 125, not 75. R will be 125, clear, not 75. So this is how you're gonna find out the value of R. So this is all about your profile repeating cycle. So your program starts from here, from where? From program number, okay, and ends over here. 10:30.